purpose of life, we're on the ground, walking, and we've just been given permission. Again, that's that building that's been damaged. Let's go past this lady. I don't want to get the lady in the film. Assalamu alaikum. God bless you, inshallah. Allah Ta'ala make it easy for you, inshallah. Our du'as are with you. Our prayers are for you, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum. Yeah. Allah give you sabr. Allah make it easy for you, inshallah. Allah Ta'ala protect your families, inshallah. Allah Ta'ala protect you. Our du'as are here. We will do as much as we can, inshallah. 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 Alhamdulillah. Allah give you sabr. Allah give you sabr, inshallah. Allah bless you. Allah bless you. Allah bless you. Ya inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un. Allah Ta'ala give Jannah, inshallah. Allah Ta'ala give Jannah. Our prayers are with you. Allah bless you. Allah bless you. Look at the destruction. Destruction upon destruction. Carnage upon carnage. I mean, if I'm being perfectly honest with you, there'll be so many bodies here buried. They just, again, as I said, is 300 to 400 bodies are being dug up here every day. Janazas upon janazas are being read. And there's still so many families who've got hope that they can find their loved ones alive. I mean, miracles are happening, mashallah. But, you know, I think, 10, 12 days, I think people will be just grateful for the fact they can find even the bodies of their loved ones so they can give them a proper burial. Allah Ta'ala give these people sabr. Please remember these people in your du'as. Let's give them sabr. Don't look at it as these are the Turkish people are suffering. These are our ummah. We're one ummah. We're one body. What does Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam say is even when the finger is aching, the whole body aches. And I'm aching here, my heart's burning here. And I'm getting quite emotional, and the team is as well. Keep these people in du'as. Assalamu alaikum. Islam. Allah Hafiz. You just see this woman's desperation. She's looking for something. You can just see it in her eyes. It's desperation. She's looking for something, and Allah Ta'ala bless her and make it easy for her, inshallah. Yeah.